Pero kailangan mo po solo siya eh.
Hindi namin parang sa'yo.
Sabay-sabay na.
D!
Or dalawa-dalawa.
Ano?
Ah, sige, dalawa-dalawa. Hindi, apat sila yun. Oo. Dalawa-dalawa. Dalawa-dalawa.
Wala kasama sa
Wala, halika na.
Ano ba yung ano?
Pagkandil lang kami. The story, sobrang rich. Subtlety ng details. Basta mapanoorin nyo na lang. Sobrang ganda ng mga little details na mapapansin nyo sa huli. It would all make sense.
Sino po dapat ang manood ng live?
Sinong dapat manood? Lahat kayo manood, guys. Rated G. My Future You. So lahat isama nyo. Lahat pwedeng manood. Lahat sure ako mag-enjoy.
And bakit po dapat manood ang live?
Bakit dapat tayo ng Future You? Kasi it gives a perspective on how past, future, and present is to be dealt with. Maganda yung perspective, maganda yung ano siya, medyo thought-provoking siya in its own way. Sobrang galing ng director.
So promote nyo lang po ba po ang live picture nyo?
Sander.
December 25.
Guys, manood kayo ng My Future You this December 25. Cinemas Nationwide.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Kanta na po kayo.
Love that, love that.
Sabay-sabay na po kami. Sabay na kami.
Sinulo ko na.
Thank you, Ted.
Okay.
Ako ba pala? Number one question ko, kamusta po ang experience sa My Future?
Actually, napakaganda ko yung film. Lalo na yung mga parts sa
Kumusta ang experience nyo? Yeah! Nung press con mo.
Yes!
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, thank you.
Ano paramdam na you're attending Mother, the premiere night?
For me, it's actually, same lang din naman yung sasagot ko. It's a dream come true, it's a journey. And hopefully soon, no?
Ikaw naman yung...
Ako naman ang
pinapanood.
premiere and sila naman dadayo. Yung mga actors na nandito.
Tama ba?
Pwede na.
Yung pinag-arte kayo.
Yes. Yung unhappy for you.
And at least buo pa rin kayo.
Yeah, of course. Friendship, kami lang din naman kasi yung nakakaalam lang talaga nangyari sa yung
Recommended. Kamusta po yung experience sa My Future?
Grabe nagulat ako. Smart case. Hindi siya parang normal na love story. Kakaiba siya. So, grabe nakakapagod ng baliw ng buhay. Yung mga scenes. Marami yung matututunan. Kailan, may recommend na naman.
And then, invite nyo lang po sila manood ng My Future nyo this December 25.
Okay.
Wow.
Sige. Guys, please watch My Future You on December 25. Napaka-solid nung film as in, kikiligin ka, malulungkot ka, and hindi mo i-expect yung mga mangyayari sa movie. Ayun.
Guys, watch My Future You. Sinabi nyo na lahat eh. Meron pa ba?
Guys, please watch My Future You on December 25. Grabe, babe. Recommend ko talaga. Worth it.
Guys, may pahapon ako. Ang love, hindi yung hinahanap. Isang dumarating yan. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Grabe yung movie na.
Second question.
Wala kang mic. Ito, sinasabi mo sa'yo, wala na. Wala kang mic. Wala kang mic.
Recording po.
Hello.
So, ang question ko is, sino po ang dapat manood ng My Future?
Tinatanong mo ba kung sino dapat lahat para marami kayong matutunan sa buhay-buhay? Sige lang ito about sa kilig, sa love life, sa more, malawak na siya, family, and of course, your purpose in life. Mga nangyayari.
Sino po dapat ang manood ng My Future?
Ayoko pala, sino dapat manood ng future? Siyempre, dapat lahat manood dahil marami kayong aral lang dito, guys. Love life, family, about sa future nyo. Kaya,
Ano sa love life?
ano,
Galing pa naman ako, broken pa naman ako galing. Kaya marami akong natutunan.
Okay po, so promote nyo lang po ang My Future You this December 25.
Okay. Okay guys, i-invite ko kayo na manood ng My Future You this coming Christmas.
So, imbitahan namin kayo na manood ng My Future You this coming December 25. And kung gusto nyo makapulot ng maraming aral at kung gusto nyo iligin, matumawa, yun, manood na kayo ng My Future You guys.
Kasama nyo, pamilya nyo, at kasama nyo yung girlfriend nyo, wala kang girlfriend. Baka magka-girlfriend kayo pagka nanood kayo nito.
Kasama nyo na yung ex nyo, kapit-bahay nyo, lahat ng yaso nyo, kasama nyo. Ay, hindi ba na mag-away? And guys, manood kayo ng My Future You. Let's go!
Thank you.
Doon na kayo. Doon kayo.
Yun lang po yung My. Bakit tapos na panoorin
Yung character pa lang, hindi na ulit natin. Aabangan ko na talaga agad.
Yung ano dito, yung maganda dito sa movie na to is yung lessons about sa family, sa relationship, and kung paano i-handle yung mga certain situations na in a healthy way kung paano siya i-handle. So yun yung magandang part ng movie sa movie. Kaya dapat siya pa rin.
Last one lang po, sasabihin nyo lang po is watch My Future You in cinemas nationwide this December 25.
Watch na.
Watch My Future You in cinemas nationwide this December 25. For promotion lang.
September.
December.
December.
25.
Tapos yung September, pre, gusto ko bro.
Okay, go.
Ano mo ulit?
Mabasa ka ako.
Okay.
Watch My Future You in cinemas nationwide.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.